What's up, Mr. fucking Desert Dime?
One of my favorite things to do on these desert trip vlogs is I like to start the next day's video in the truck while I'm still trying to wake up and still trying to acclimate. So, today's race day. Gian and I are going to pack up right now and head out, go find a spot to spectate a little bit of the racing. This probably isn't a very flattering angle. And today we have to meet up with Doc because we were supposed to film his truck yesterday, but it's just such a chaotic shit show out here and nobody has signal, so you can't get a hold of anybody out here. You can't plan anything to meet out here. So, today I have signal. I'm texting him right now while we're both at our camps. And we're supposed to meet up before we leave so we can get a walk around on his truck. Everything we did yesterday was amazing as far as suspension, as far as tires. Everything on the truck just feels so good. Ugh. Okay. I've laid in bed too long. Gotta get up. It is so dusty, I can't even see where we're supposed to be going. Like, I can't even use the mountain ranges as a point of reference at this point. We're gonna get to a nice spot and kick it, watch some racing, then Doc's gonna meet up with us. Here's a nice point of reference for how dirty it is. Look at the silt covering all the roofs and hoods of these cars, dude. All right, my boy, what do we have for breakfast? Give us the menu.
Wonder bread, chicken breast, and Kraft American cheese.
So we're at a back door now watching the racers come over the hill, but we're not sure if the truck class is gone yet or not. We just see a bunch of like bugs and Can-Ams going over, so we're not sure if we should wait longer, wait for the trucks, or if they already went. Run, Sierra, run. Ah, no, you got passed. The wind picked up big time and it's just blasting us right now from this direction, going straight over our shoulder that way. It's like we're in a windstorm and it's salting my eyes up. They're perfectly seasoned right now. Pretty sure Gion's pretzels are real grainy.
I can't tell right now.
Hello?
Hey, what's going on?
We're gonna get out of our trucks?
It's really windy with a lot of sand. I'm kind of vibing right here.
Fair enough.
2 spots on the fence line opened up so we get a closer view. We're in our trucks with no wind, no sand, and we can talk to each other. You know, like when you were a kid and you got walkie-talkies and you literally just go into the other room of the house just to talk to each other? That's what we're doing. Alright, I'm going out. Wish me luck.
Stop.
We're gonna go off-road a bit and try to find some signal so I can reach out to Doc, see where he's at, so we can film his walk-around video. Then we're gonna head out because I realize it's Sunday, and everybody and their mom is gonna be leaving. It's gonna take so long to get home if we leave any later, so I'm gonna rig up some GoPros so you guys can see since you haven't seen a lot of the off-roading, and we'll try to get some cool shots for you. Look at that Baja bug, it's so sick. Thing's so freaking rad. Oh my god, I need to build one. I need to build one, but I have so many other plants in mind, dude. Oh my god, there's another one over there. He has a friend. Ah. Okay, so somebody on Instagram or in the comment section said they wanted to see like an inboard like dash cam view of the off-roading, so we're gonna try that today. I don't know if the angle is gonna be too good, honestly, like judging from the pre-screen, but we'll see what we get. Dude, that branch just fucked the whole side of my truck. Hopefully everything's secure in the bed. I rearranged it a little bit, but we'll see. Go. Give her the beans. Crap. Come on, Gian. Let's go have some fun. to go pre-scout a location where I want to film with Doc that hopefully the wind and sandstorm cannot get to us, which would be on the backside of this hill. Dude, I don't know where we're at. This is kind of cool. Oh my god, dude. I can't even see where we're going right now. Oh. Alright. Come on, little Bessie. Oh my god! No! Dude. These little back roads are kind of sick, huh?
Yeah.
That was sketched me the fuck out. I couldn't see coming down that first face, and then I had to gun it up the second one and didn't realize there was a drop off on the backside. Yeah, this is sick. I feel like we get some cool shots on these. I wanted to stop, like, right when we came around that curve I tried to drift. There was a section that I think would look sick flexing out, but I didn't want to stop because you were coming in hot, so I might want to go back to that. I feel like right here I might be flex good. Let's see. Not flexed enough. We need a better flex section. Dude, we have a casualty. I look at this every time we off-road because it is the lowest point of the backside. Oh no, dude, I busted this. It's literally bent at 90 degrees and it is supposed to be completely flat. Holy shit. Well, guess I'm not towing with this. Alright. Maybe that section's not as crazy as I thought because that looked like fucking butter. But these next two sections. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this whole section because I think he needs to carry his momentum through to get up the next hill. Yeah, see, I didn't get that back section. Oh, hey, this is where I broke it, right here. These are the covers to my plug. Oh, dude. It must have, like, literally just snagged this rock. This is why I need more lift in the rear. That's why the J66 Devers are not cutting it for me, because I just don't have enough lift for clearance. If it just broke the mount, I would have been fine with that. I could have replaced that, but the fact that it busted, like, the entire housing around it off, I might just remove the whole thing at this point. No point in having it. All right, so I had to zip tie that plug up because it was hanging way too low. Some of the wires are already ripped, but now we're gonna get G on recording us going through the section, and hopefully it looks as good as it feels. I really want to show off the suspension to you guys and show you what could be. Dude, I feel like I ripped that outlet off yet again, even though it's zip tied up. Yep, sure as shit. Literally just zip tied it, did that run, and it ripped it clean off again. I think only one of the wires is severed, which is cool, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna take this whole mount off. Maybe when I go in for some lights, I'll see if they could just remove this harness or maybe fix it, but yeah, dude, that was a really steep incline because I was just scraping the entire bottom side. Scrapes here, scrapes all right here on the bumper.
Scrapes on the tow hitch for sure. And it ripped off that harness. So, but hey, Gian, where'd he go? Gian said that the trophy trucks are back on the race course in the section we were spectating, so we're gonna head back over there right now. Maybe we could find Doc, because I got no signal on this run, so I still can't reach out to him to see where he's at. Oh, Gian's taking a piss. Let's go see if we can scare him. I'm coming for that. He's checking over his shoulder, he already knows. Hey boy, what are you doing over here? What are you doing?
Go ahead, 7330.
I feel like the summary of this trip is a lot of the stuff looks a lot scarier, or like something I'd get stuck in more than it actually is. Like there's a lot of things in the desert where I'm like, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna make it up that, or oh, I think I'm gonna get stuck there. But like, I've been literally just coasting through this entire desert the whole trip. No Doc anywhere there. All right, let's head to the back side of the hill then and see if we can find him. Whoop section. Oh, this one's gonna fucking hurt. Ooh. I was like, what's that noise? My cooler's back there going crazy. Dude, this thing just ate that whoop section. Holy. I thought it was gonna handle most of it, but there's that one big one where I was like, dude, I'm launching off this, and it just soaked it up. God, I'm just so happy with this build. Still no Doc. There's a lot of sick long travel Tacomas out here. Dude, I came back here and the cooler completely unstrapped itself. Like it jumped and slid out from the strap and then was loose the whole time, and it was bouncing literally straight up and back down because of how bottom heavy it is. All right, so the trophy trucks were not going. The guy next to us said they're going at 12:30, which is in like 30 minutes. So we're gonna head back out of the desert, try to find some more signal, because still no Doc out there and still no signal over there. So where's that wind when I need it? Oh my God, dude. Blowing up a storm over there, and then right now when we start off-roading, I can't see. Over all the whoops. Woo! Gion's probably like, what the fuck? Well, we at least found a big play area. Is this a whooped out road? Oh shit. Could I hit this? Do we think it's too aggressive? That is back there. Maybe right here, exactly what we're aiming at might be fine.
Right there's a really fun little whoop section.
Yeah, I was watching it when we pulled up and I was like, can I hit this? I'm trying to see how crazy I could get on these whoops, but these are just really hard to judge because they're so spaced apart. I can't tell if I'm gonna wreck myself or not. This side's fine. These are tiny little guys. They're a little too small to get a good clip, I think. So I want to see if I can wrap. I want to see if I can hit that middle section or if I'm going to bust my shit open. That lane is like just too small, like just about, like it's super easy, and then the middle section looks like you could do it till you start running at it because they're so spaced far apart where you're just going to go like teeter-totter through them. All right, well, I shot him a call, shot him a text, and I guess we just wait for a response because there's a good chance that he doesn't have signal at the other end of that call, so he might not be getting it. That's why it's so hard to just plan with people like King of Hammers. There's like so many people that you get lost in a sea. You got no signal. The area is just so big itself. So it's like, I don't know. It was a long shot, but maybe we can meet up with him at a different time. Maybe next weekend if he's coming out again and plan a little better and record his truck then. But we're gonna head back to another Baja Bug, dude. Oh my God. We're gonna head back to back door right now. Hopefully the trophy trucks are gonna be going. And we're gonna kick it for like another hour maybe, and then head out.
Literally waited, what, 2 hours for this?
Stop.
What? I didn't say I'm not excited.
Huh?
I didn't say I'm not excited. I said I'm explaining to the people.
Just got making fun of me.
No, I'm not making fun of you. I'm just giving an update that we have been here for 2 hours.
I thought they were gonna send that shit.
Waiting for the trophy trucks. I still like the sound of them. I don't care if they're jumping or not. Got a little kicker.
Yeah, boy.
It's because he's in hot pursuit. Funny enough too, one of my subscribers met me at the top of that hill and he's like, hey, I watched your videos, and he parked right next to me. Those wheels are nice on this, huh? This is the color combo I wanted to do on my first truck when I had the black truck. Gold wheels on black, this looks clean. Ooh, those wheels are nice. As we're heading out now, this wind and sandstorm is just getting worse and worse, so I'm kind of glad we're leaving right now. Nick Marr from Nevada, the Martech Red Rock Crawler 2nd Gen that I filmed, he's coming out tomorrow, and I was actually gonna stay a few extra days to meet up with him and stuff, but I'm kind of glad I'm not now. But I'm gonna meet up with him next weekend. So I think we're gonna end the video here, but guys, like I said, he's coming out in a few days. I'm meeting up with him next week. We're gonna get a lot more clips of his truck. So if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe, because we have a lot more King of Hammers content coming out after next week. And we have a lot more content coming out after that of off-roading in general. So guys, thank you so much for watching this weird little vlog style weekend. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one.